OBD Mode 01 is one of the most important diagnostic modes used in vehicles. It allows us to read real-time data directly from the engine control unit, also known as the ECU. With this, we can understand how the engine is performing at any given moment. What is OBD Mode 01? OBD Mode 01 is called Show Current Data. It is used to request live sensor data from the vehicle's ECU. This means we can monitor engine parameters like speed, temperature, airflow, and throttle position in real time. The working of Mode 01 is simple and follows a request-response pattern. First, a diagnostic tool sends a request to the ECU. This request contains two parts, the mode, which is 01, and a PID, which stands for Parameter ID. The ECU then responds with the requested data. This data is usually in raw hexadecimal format, which must be converted using formulas to get meaningful values. Let's understand this with an example. If we send a request 010C, here 01 is the mode and 0C is the PID for engine RPM. The ECU might respond with 410C 1A F8. Now let's decode this. 41 indicates a response for mode 01. 0C confirms the PID for RPM. 1A and F8 are the data bytes. So in this case, 1A is 26 and F8 is 248. The result is RPM equals 6,900. Important PIDs in Mode 01. Let's look at some important parameters available in Mode 01. Engine RPM, PID 0C. This tells us how fast the engine is rotating, measured in revolutions per minute. Vehicle speed PID 0D. This shows the speed of the vehicle in kilometers per hour. Throttle position PID 11. This indicates how much the throttle is open, usually in percentage. Engine coolant temperature PID 05. This tells us the temperature of the engine coolant. The formula used is A minus 40. Mass airflow MAF PID 01. This measures the amount of air entering the engine, which is critical for fuel calculation. Intake air temperature PID 0F. This indicates the temperature of the air entering the engine. Fuel system status PID 03. This shows whether the engine is running in open loop or closed loop mode. Why Mode 01 is important? OBD Mode 01 is extremely useful for real-time diagnostics. It helps in identifying sensor issues, monitoring engine performance, and analyzing fuel efficiency. It is widely used by technicians and engineers to understand vehicle behavior instantly. Real-life use case. Let's consider a practical scenario. If a vehicle has poor mileage, we can use Mode 01 to analyze live data. We might observe abnormal readings in the mass airflow sensor, coolant temperature, or throttle position. By analyzing these values, we can quickly identify the root cause of the issue. Limitations. However, Mode 01 also has some limitations. The data received is in raw format and needs conversion. Not all vehicles support all PIDs, and the available data depends on the ECU manufacturer.